All right, it's about time I finally do a bike check about this bike right here. This is a Weis. This is the Hammer Road SL. It's a road bike. The reason why you might be watching this video is because I'm leaving to Japan in a couple days, and this is the bike I'm taking with me and the bike you might see some live streams from. This is a titanium frame. It's handmade in Brooklyn, New York. And it has a carbon seat tube mass. One of Weis's signature design elements and features is the asymmetrical seat stays, as you can see here. I've made a short video about this. Let's talk asymmetrical seat stays. Why does this bike have it? Well, this is my new Weis road bike, which I will get into the build in another video. For now, let's talk about the design of these asymmetrical seat stays. Notice the drive side has a smaller triangle. In theory, this creates a stronger, stiffer drive side of the bike. Notice the tubing on the drive side, it's much bigger and thicker than the non-drive, keeping the ride quality smooth and the drivetrain stiff. This bike was finished at Weis. As you can see, there's a pattern. This is Cerakote with the tie reveal, with a fade to tie. It's also ISP, which means it's integrated seat post. This is part of the frame, and to get the saddle height right, you actually have to cut the material. So this is cut to fit me. This is a 61 millimeter frame that was custom made. It also has a Weis titanium stem. And let's start with the cockpit. These are the Zip SL 40 road bars. They just came out this year from Zip. Very nice. The saddle is a Physique Argo, kind of a cheaper saddle. I do love the Physique Argos, but this is like a lower end model that they offer. As I mentioned, I'll be live streaming, so I'll go ahead and talk about this stuff. I got my Wahoo here because I plan on doing a few morning rides while I'm in Japan. I'll be there for 2 weeks, so a couple days in Tokyo, a couple days in Osaka, and we'll be doing some road rides in the morning, live streaming that to YouTube and Twitch about 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is the chat phone sitting on a quad lock. Beneath the quad lock is a Nog blinder front light. I'll be riding, it'll be early in the morning, so gonna make sure I have a light on there. For the drivetrain, these are the new SRAM Red hoods and SRAM Red 13-speed drivetrain. These cranks are SRAM Force. Everything else is SRAM Red. These are the Force cranks. I couldn't afford the SRAM Red ones. But these ones do have a power meter, so that's nice. Typically, I always run time pedals on my mountain bikes and my gravel bikes. I do have a set of time road pedals that I normally use on this bike. However, I don't want to be in road shoes when I'm not on road rides. So I opted for these time mountain bike pedals so I can walk around normally. That's the SRAM Red front derailleur and the SRAM Red rear derailleur. It's all electric shifting, no cables. Like I said before, 13 speed in the back, 2 in the front. The wheels and tires are Zip. These are just the basic Zip 303 wheels. And these are Goodyear's, and they're Goodyear tires, and they're designed for these Zip wheels. These are the Vector R's, and they're 30s in size. Running these between 65 and 70 PSI. On the rear, I have a Nog cobbler light. In the front handlebar bag. I've had this bag for a long time. This is an Against All Odds, or Life Behind Bars. They're some guys out of Jakarta, Indonesia, that I met when I spent some time there. Inside is just a battery and some gel. I'm going to be using this for storage, bike lock and all that. Extra batteries for the live streams. I have one water bottle, and then I have a tool keg on here, and I'll show you what's inside the keg. Inside this keg, it's just a small water bottle basically with a solid lid on it. Under the lid, this is a specialized keg. Under here is a quick link in case I need a quick link for my chain. I have a rag in here. In this really dirty chain lube rag, I have a tire lever, a quick link tool, a multi-tool with a dyno plug on it, and I have a tube, a brand new tube, regular tube. Like I said, I'll be in Japan for 2 weeks, so expect a few uploads, different types of videos, as well as live streams. Trying to do one every day. The first live stream will be on, I guess it's the 3rd. I gotta check the dates. However, 6 p.m. live streams, gonna continue the upload schedule. So hopefully you enjoy the content. Yeah, if you have any questions about the bike, let me know, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
So we bring to a close the story of rigid control through the unceasing research and the highest quality.